Here is a 30-day solution step-by-step guide for starting a profitable blogging or YouTube business using AI. Day 1 to 5, educate yourself about AI and content creation. 1. Take the time to learn about the basics of AI and how it is used in content creation. 2. Read articles, watch videos, and take online courses to better understand AI and how to use it effectively in your business. 3. Consider signing up for newsletters or joining online communities to stay up to date on the latest developments in the field. Day 6 to 10, identify a unique niche. 1. Spend time researching and identifying a niche that is not overly saturated with competition and that has the potential to be profitable. 2. Consider the interests and needs of your target audience and how you can offer unique value in your niche. 3. Brainstorm ideas for content that will be of interest to your audience and that will differentiate you from competitors. Day 11 to 15, gather resources and set up your business. 1. Determine the resources that you will need to start and run your business, including financial, technical, and marketing resources. 2. Set up your business, including creating a website or YouTube channel, purchasing necessary equipment or software, and establishing legal structures. 3. Create a content calendar and a schedule for creating and promoting content. Day 16 to 20, promote your content and build an audience. 1. Begin promoting your content on social media and other platforms to reach a larger audience. 2. Engage with your audience through comments, social media, and other channels to build relationships and foster loyalty. 3. Utilize email marketing to promote your content and build an email list. Day 21 to 25, monetize your content. 1. Research the various ways to monetize your content, including through advertising, sponsorships, and product sales. 2. Determine which monetization strategies will be most effective for your business and begin implementing them. 3. Consider experimenting with different monetization strategies to see which ones work best for your business. Day 26 to 30, continuously improve and grow your business. 1. Monitor the performance of your business and make adjustments as needed. 2. Continuously improve your AI for blogging and YouTube, a 30-day solution for starting a profitable business. Purchase your Magic 1 AI Tools ebook. You will learn the following. Here is a proposed content page for the book AI for Blogging and YouTube, a 30-day solution for starting a profitable business. Introduction. 1. The potential rewards and challenges of starting a blogging or YouTube business using AI. 2. The importance of education and planning in achieving success. Chapter 1, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, AI. 1. What is AI and how is it used in content creation? 2. Common misconceptions about AI. 3. Tips for learning more about AI and using it effectively in your business. Chapter 2, Finding Your Niche. 1. The importance of finding a niche in the blogging and YouTube space. 2. Common mistakes to avoid when choosing a niche. 3. Strategies for finding a profitable and sustainable niche. Chapter 3, Gathering Resources and Setting Up Your Business. 1. Financial and technical resources that are necessary for starting a blogging or YouTube business using AI. 2. Strategies for maximizing resources and minimizing costs. 3. Setting up your business, including creating a website or YouTube channel, purchasing equipment and software, and establishing legal structures. Chapter 4, Promoting your content and building an audience. 1. The importance of generating traffic and building an audience for a successful blogging or YouTube business. 2. Common mistakes to avoid when trying to increase traffic and grow an audience. 3. Strategies for generating traffic and building an audience through social media, email marketing, and other channels. Chapter 5, Monetizing your content. 1. The various ways to monetize a blogging or YouTube business. including ads, sponsorships, and product sales. 2. Challenges that beginners might face when trying to monetize their content. 3. Strategies for monetizing content effectively. Chapter 6, Overcoming Technical Challenges. 1. The tools and software that are commonly used in blogging and YouTube businesses. 2. Technical challenges that beginners might encounter, such as compatibility issues or difficulty understanding how to use the tools. 3. Tips for overcoming technical challenges. Chapter 7, Legal and Ethical Concerns. 1. Legal and ethical considerations around using AI in content creation, such as copyright and data privacy laws. 2. Tips for complying with legal and ethical standards. Chapter 8, Balancing the demands of the business with other responsibilities. 1. The time and effort commitment required to start and maintain a successful blogging or YouTube business. 2. Strategies for balancing the demands of the business with other responsibilities. Conclusion. 1. Recap of the main challenges and problems that beginners might encounter when starting a blogging or YouTube business using AI. 2. Encouragement and advice for overcoming these challenges and achieving success. Thanks for watching.